Hello friends, welcome to my educational channel Shom Edu Hub. Now you can watch free online tutorials and learn from home without any need to go anywhere or pay huge fees for tuitions or coaching classes. Do give your valuable comments and suggestions so that I can keep bringing valuable contents for you. Now you can also clear your doubts in any topic of maths and science. Just leave a comment in the comment box and write which topic you want me to cover in the next video. I will try my best to help you in any ways. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that it reaches every student. I'll be happy to bring a positive change in someone's life. Today we are going to discuss about number system. When we talk about number systems, we talk about numbers. All numbers can be broadly classified into two main groups, real numbers and imaginary numbers or complex numbers. In this video, we are going to discuss about real numbers. Real numbers are basically of two types: rational numbers and irrational numbers. Numbers again can be classified into two types, integers or fractions. Irrational numbers may be classified as positive irrational numbers and negative irrational numbers. Integers may be classified into three types. Integers may be positive integers, they may be negative integers, or it may be a zero. Similarly, fractions may also be classified into two main types, positive fractions and negative fractions. Real numbers are denoted by symbol R, imaginary or complex numbers are denoted by symbol Z. Rational numbers are denoted by symbol Q and irrational numbers is denoted by Q dash. Integers are denoted by I, positive integers I plus, negative integers I minus. Positive irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash plus and negative irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash minus. Positive integers are also called natural numbers. So some basic definitions. Real numbers. All rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Example: 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5, root 2, root 3, minus root 2, minus root 3, pi, etc. Rational numbers. The numbers which can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. Example: 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5, etc. Irrational numbers. The numbers which cannot be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0, are called irrational numbers. Example: root 2, root 3, minus root 2, minus root 3, pi, etc. May be positive or negative. Rational numbers also include natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. A rational number when expressed in decimal form may be either terminating or non-terminating, but repeating or recurring in nature. Natural numbers. All positive integers are called natural numbers or counting numbers. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4. The smallest natural number is 1. Whole number. All natural numbers together with the number 0 are called whole numbers. Example: 0, 1, 2, 3. The smallest whole number is 0. Now let us discuss about real numbers diagrammatically. Real numbers can be broadly classified into two groups, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers can be classified into integers and fractions. Irrational numbers may be classified as positive irrational numbers or negative irrational numbers. Integers may be classified as positive integers, 0 or negative integers. Fractions may be classified as positive fractions or negative fractions.